Welcome to day 7 of the 7-day self-care challenge. How often do you unplug from tech? How often do you disconnect from your phone, your laptop, your tablet, your PC, and just, you know, enjoy being present, being human? I find tech's so addictive, especially as I'm engaging with it so much more now, creating content and so on. And I think it's important to connect to other parts of ourselves, the higher part of ourselves, the still part of ourselves, the wise part of ourselves. I think it's really important to unplug sometimes. Unplug. The final challenge is to pick a specified amount of time, whether it's a few hours or a day, and just disconnect from tech. Go analog, maybe speak to a human, spend some time in nature. Enjoy.